firearm range. Do not pick a place on the ground and just shoot a bunch of ammo into it and watch the bullets bounce. Just keep your gun sighted in on these targets here. All right, everyone with their eyes and ears on with the entire line, so step up to the line and safely lock and load your weapons. Entire line, safely lock and load your weapons.
Why should I record when it ain't not happening?
Might have one of them relationships.
I just recorded myself saying.
Remember, shooters, as you take weapons up to the firing line or take them off, keep the muzzles pointed up, magazines out, actions open. Do not point to the ground or point left or right. Do not lock and load weapons at the tables or on the way to the firing line. Fire line security, are we ready on the left? Fire line security, are we ready on the right? Let's go!